Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by handling the fish safely. Scale, gut, and pat dry, then slice shallow slits so flavors penetrate. Mix 1 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp pepper, and 1 tablespoon citrus juice. Coat the fish and let it sit 10-15 minutes. While marinating, chop 2 cloves garlic, 1 onion, 1 small tomato, and 1 chili. These build the base flavor. Once done, heat a shallow layer of oil. Make sure the pan is hot before adding the aromatics to bloom their fragrance. You now assemble and control the cooking. Sear the garlic, onion, tomato, and chili 2-3 minutes until softened and fragrant, then deglaze with 1/2 cup water or light broth so nothing burns. Nest the marinated fish on top, pour 1 tablespoon soy or fish sauce over it, then cover the pan to trap steam. Once covered, adjust to medium-low heat and simmer 8-12 minutes based on thickness. Periodically spoon the pan juices over the fish to keep it moist and encourage even cooking. You finish by testing texture. The fish is done when flesh turns opaque and flakes with a fork. If you use a probe, aim for about 63 degrees C. Remove the pan from heat and add fresh herbs plus 1 tsp acid like vinegar or citrus and 1 tsp oil to brighten and gloss the sauce. If you encounter dryness or slight overcooking, immediately add a splash of warm broth, cover, and simmer briefly. Then rest the fish 3-5 minutes so juices redistribute before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.